Hi there, students. To revive, to come back to life, to come back to health, to be more healthy again, to begin to be used again after a period of disuse. A revival, the process of becoming more popular or more active again. So, the economy had been bad for several months, but now the economy is reviving. It's an economic revival. It's coming back. Okay, so to revive, to come back to life. My plants were really dry because I hadn't watered them and they were all droopy. And I gave them some water which revived them. There are many old professions that are dying out, and I think we need to try to find a way to revive these traditional skills. Or, for example, the boxer. He was knocked out, and they used smelling salts to bring him around, to revive him, to make him conscious again. Okay, so to revive, if something is in a semi-moribund state, you might want to revive it. Or a tradition that has not been used for a very long time. Maybe you want to bring it back to life, to give it new health, new strength, new spirit, yeah? Okay, so to revive it, to bring it again, bring it back again. Or a revival, the act of coming back into use. So a particular type of music may have been famous in the past and it stopped being very famous, and then it makes a revival. A Gothic revival, renewed use, renewed interest in, or a new production of a theatre play that has not been performed in many years. So, a Shakespeare revival? No, because Shakespeare plays are performed. But if you had a play by, I don't know, Sheridan, maybe a Sheridan revival, it could be. The revival of old customs, the restoration back to use, the acceptance of. Okay, so many countries have got rid of their currency for the euro, but maybe they could go back to their old currency, a revival of the old currency. So to restore to use, to restore to activity, okay, to revive, to renew. Okay, this conversation revived some of the bad experiences that I'd had in the past. Okay, let's see, if language is dying out, you could revive it. You could bring it back so that it's taught once again. Okay, to revive something, to give it more life. Let's see, the house looks really tatty, really in bad condition. If you painted it, it would revive it, it would refresh it, it would make it lively again. So to revive a brand that's disappearing. Tupperware, I think Tupperware's disappearing. To revive a plan, to revive a tradition, to revive an industry. So maybe the coal industry, yeah. A revival in the coal industry, I hope not. If the economy's going badly and it starts to go well again, a revival in the economy. It becomes active and successful again. The Bank of England decreased interest rates in an attempt to revive the economy. Okay, so to revive, to bring back. You could revive a play or an opera or a ballet. You present a new production of it. If somebody is unconscious, they've fainted, you could revive them with smelling salts, for example, to bring them round, to animate them, to awaken them, to bring them back to consciousness. Yeah, I would be revived by a bit of whiskey, you know. To give new vitality to something, to give it new energy, to restore from a depressed, inactive state. So to revive something, to bring it back, to give it new life, to activate, to set in motion, to renew, to restore to life, to restore to consciousness, to restore vigor to something, to give it new strength. Okay, revive, formality. 5.5 in formality, use it absolutely anywhere. So that's a good start. And this comes from Latin revivo through Old French revivere, revivir. So revivo, re, again, and vivo, life. So relive, life again. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Revive.